Dear viewers, today I'm going to tell about connected speech, linking words. This is really necessary to understand native speakers' language really. So let's get started. 1, 2, it comes wanna. I wanna study English. Going to, gonna. I'm gonna play football. Have got to, it comes gotta. So I have got to go. It comes I gotta go. What do you? It comes whataya. What are you? Whataya. What do you want? What do you want? What are you doing? What are you doing? In this way, there are so many linking words like kind of, kinda, sort of, sorta, out of, outa, need to, nida, have to, hefta, has to, hesta.